Hello guys, welcome to my video series tutorial to learn bot framework using Python language. In our last tutorial we learned about the cards, what are the cards available in the bot framework and card types also we seen. In this tutorial we are going to implement card features. To write, I'm going to write the sample code how to implement the card concept. So first I will take that animation card. So animation card is nothing as I said earlier. This used to show the any GIF or short videos. For that, we can use the animation card. I'll move on to Visual Studio Code. We'll start write the sample code. Here I created one folder called card. In that one, I created one called folder called animation card, and I just written the basic code to run the bot application. Still, I not started the animation card code. Before that, I just make ready small part of the code to make our application to run. Okay, before starting the card concept, make sure you have to install this bot builder schema, this package. If not installed, please install this package. This package contains all the card information and everything. Just yeah, I will start coding. So bot builder schema import animation card. Head import. Then I going to write one more function called create animation card. Okay. So assign one object animation card. Animation card main property is a media property. This property you have to this property you have to assign where my GIF or a short video is available. So I already created actually one path. I just copy paste it. This my media URL and the path. Next title of the project maybe I will call it as sample animation card. Yeah. And some other properties also available. If you want you can use it. I'll add one more property called a subtitle. Hey, I'm bot demo using Python. I just make sure move to second line so it's easy. Yeah. Okay, now this card we have to we have to send to the user. Okay, for that first we'll check the how to send. So most of them already know you can use the send activity or activities. So I'm going to use the send activity. If you see the activity, here you can send the text or activity. There is no card type here. There is no specific animation card or hero card or general card format. So it's not specified. So what we have to do, we have to convert this card type to activity type. So once it's converted, we can send to the user. So for the conversion purpose, I have to add here core, one more called message factory. Okay, so message factory dot. Here you can see this guy contains a subtitle, text, value, and another one is called attachments. I'll type it maybe. Attachment is there, but there is no again card type. Card type is not present. So first what we have to do, we have to convert animation card to attachment. After that we have to add to the message factory. So this is a step. So first step, you have to convert to card to attachments. Next step, attachment to message factory. Third step, send this message factory to the user. So there are three clear steps. To convert card to attachment property, we have to use card factory. This guy used to convert the attachment. So what I'm going to do here, instead of adding in the message factory and return it, instead of that, I just return the card factory here. This function return the card factory. So return type added attachment. Attachment is present in the schema again. We have to add it. Attachment. Attachment. Next, I just make return card factory dot attachment. Sorry. Okay. For that, to convert this one, we have to tell what type of card I'm using it to convert to attachment. So I'm telling animation card. So pass the animation object here, card. That's it. So we are prepared the card here and we are convert to attachment. After that, let it be there. Here I am calling the function. So card. Instead of card, I will make a message fact, something like that. Message fact means message factory. No, variable name is wrong. So card attach. And I call the function self dot create a create. This wrong here. I have to add it. Dot create animation card. Just call this function. This function return the attachment. After that, I have to convert message factory dot attachment. So I'm adding the attachment to the message factory. So finally, message factory convert to activity. Just pause the message factory. That's it. We'll just run it and make sure application, if any error is there. Yes, we have an error. What is that? Okay, so issue, just add it course here. Yeah, now seems to be okay. Run it. Yeah, and one more missed out actually. We have to specify that media URL. Still, this guy underlining this object is not available. Undefined variable is coming, so we have to add media URL also. So I'm just adding media URL, and next one is here you can see async wait. Wait is missing, so we have to add this also. Just adding it. Wait. Yeah. So that's it. We'll run the application. We just compile the application, make sure everything seems to be okay. Yes, fine. Start the application. Started and go to emulator, connect this bot service. Here I just send the message. So once the this function get hit, if I send the message here, the message has received. So once this received, we are automatically calling the create animation card function. This guy will prepare the animation card and return it as an attachment. After that attachment, we passed in the message factory to make to create the activity object. Then we finally pass to the user using this send activity function. So go here, I just type hi. Here you can see that animation it's displaying here. So this is a title and this is a subtitle. This is animation card. I hope you can understand this animation card, how to implement in application, and what is the use of card factory and message factory, everything. And I'll just stop the application. I will do one small correction here. It's not a big correction or any logical mistake here, just changing the variable actually. So while start writing the code, make sure you have to use the naming convention also very clearly. So this is an activity, this is an activity. So instead of this message factory, I just make a activity object message, or make it msg activity. Just replace it. So naming conversion. Yeah. I hope you can understand how to implement this animation card, and what is the use of card factory and message factory, everything. We'll see in our next tutorial. Thanks to all. Bye.